Guys, I got two USDT uh registration bonus on this platform. Got it. Okay, guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video today, this is a new platform where what I want to talk about. So I just registered. As you can see, this is the time I will just register today. This is it. You can check the time. You can see 11th of March 2023. So guys, right now this is it. So this is the $2 registration bonus I received. This is it right here. This is it right here. If I click on up here right now, I am going to see everything. So as you can see, profit wallet, I have $2 there. So guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Banky and this is Banky update. Today's in this video, I want to show you this new platform that's just launched, and I believe this platform will last. So guys, that is why I decided to share it with you guys. I don't just share anyhow platform to you guys and to this channel. So guys, today, if you want to register on this platform, this platform, you can check the description of this video. This is Fortun9, fortun9.com. The platform is called Fortun9.com. You can see it here. Fortun9, fortun9.com, fortun9.com. So guys, right now, after you registered on this platform, the first thing they will ask you to do is to complete your KYC. You will see it at the top here. You can do it later if you like. You can do it later, or you can do it immediately. For example, let's say you want to do it immediately. You click on submit now. So after you click on submit now, you select your KYC either with your ID card or your national ID verification. So for example, you are in Nigeria. Because I'm in Nigeria, that's why it show me NIN here. So right now, you will input the number of your NIN here and upload the the card here. You will upload it here, then you will click on submit. So that is how to complete your KYC on this platform. So after that, after you have done your KYC and the platform approve it, now you can now proceed with the next step. But if you don't if you are not with your ID card at the moment, if you are not with your ID card, you can click on later. That is, you will do it later. You can just click on later. Just click on later and continue with the platform. So right now, I have registered and I have been given $2 registration bonus. So right now, guys, I want to deposit, but before I make my deposit, let's see their investment plan on this platform. So what you will click to see their investment plan is click on all schema here. Click on all schemas. So when you click on all schema, it will take you to their investment plans, everything. So you can see this is a mining boat, Genesis mining boat level 1. So this boat, the price is $10, and this boat will be giving you $0.75 every day for 20 days. You can withdraw at any time. Their minimum withdrawal on this platform is $6. It's $6. So you can do the calculations and you will know your profit. You will know that you get a profit. Also, their mining machine level 2, the price is $35. It will run for 20 days. Also, you can withdraw at any time and it will be giving you $2.25 every day for 20 days, every day for 20 days. You can do the calculation. You will see that you make a profit of about you. Everything you get is you multiply your money to about 40 something dollars in 20 days. This is just like AI mining. I like it. So this is another plans here of $50. When you buy this plan, when you invest on this plan with $50, you'll be getting $3.5 every day. Also for 20 days. Also, you can withdraw at any time on this platform. You can withdraw at any time. When you have up to $6 in your account there, you can withdraw if you like. So, and this is their level 4 best plan. They called it their best plan. I don't know why, but they call it their best plan. So maybe we will still see the reason. So the price is $100. That is 100 USDT, and it will be giving you $6.5 every day. That is good. That is cool. That is cool for 20 days also, and you can withdraw at any time also. I don't know why they call it best plan, but let's still see. uh this is advanced. That is, right now this one is $2, is $200, and it will be giving you $12.5 every day. You can see it here, $12.5 every day. So let's see something. So that means I see something here. I see something here. If you do this $100 own, this is what I see here, guys. This is what I see. If you do this $100 here, if you do it two times, for example, let's say you want to go for the $200 plan here, but if you do this one here twice, if you do it twice, it will give you more than the one you will get here. This one is giving you $12.5 every day. Why this one is giving you $6.5 every day? That means if you do this one twice, the $100 own, if you do it twice, you'll be getting $13. Yes, you'll be getting $13. That is extra, extra something about extra. Yes, you should be getting $13. You can do the calculation. That is extra five, $0.5. Yes, that is what we'll be getting, extra one. So this is another plan here. They call this one Pro. That is, the price is $500, and it will be giving you $31.25 every day for 20 days. You'll be getting it for 20 days. That means you can withdraw every day on this one. This one also you can withdraw every day because their minimum withdrawal is $6. Also on this mining machine force, also you can withdraw at any time. You can withdraw at any time for this mining machine 2 3 here. That means you will be withdrawing every 2 days. For example, if you do it today, you'll be withdraw every 2 days. Every 48 hours, you'll be withdrawing. So that is how the platform work. This one here, you will be withdrawing like every 3 days. This one, I think every 6 days or something like that, you will be withdrawing, or 7 days you will be withdrawing. So depend on the one you want to go for. So guys, right now I want to deposit, and I want to deposit. I want to go for this one first. I like to go for, let me go for, which one should I go for here? Okay, I can still afford this. Let me go for this mining machine 3. It depends on you, on your own, the one you want to go for. It depends on your ability. You can go for this one, but I might still upgrade to this one. I can still purchase this one later, but let me go for this one right here first. So I want to deposit $50 right now. So you will click on deposit right here. So when you click on the deposit, it will direct you to their depositing page. So here you select your payment gateway, you select it, click on it, USDT TRC20. So their minimum deposit is $10. That is 10 USDT. I want to deposit 50. So I've input it here. Their maximum is $50,000. So pay to the USDT TRC20 wallet address below. So right now this is the wallet I am to pay to, and make sure you upload your proof of payment and message. Okay, you can also message their admin. So you can also message them on WhatsApp here. You can also message them on WhatsApp. So after I make this payment right now, I am going to, this is the wallet address, you just copy it, send the amount into it, and after you send it, you send the screenshot of the payment proof, you upload it here. You just click here and upload it here, then you click on proceed to payment. So that is it. So right now let me do it fast. I know everybody knows how to do it, so let me just quickly do it. Pause the video and do it. Remember, it is USDT TRC20. So let me do it fast. So right now guys, I have deposited it. So okay, let me refresh the page. Okay guys, as you can see it, $50, as you can see. So right now guys, the money has appeared here on my wallet. Here you can see it, $50 plus the $2 registration bonus given to me. So guys, right now I want to purchase a plan. Let me purchase a plan. So let me purchase a plan. Now click back on this arrow here, click on it and click on schema. Click on schema right here. This is all schema. So click on it. So I want to purchase a plans. Let me purchase this plan. Purchase. Okay, this is it. So click on invest now. Click on invest now. So that is what you will do. Invest now. Okay, $50. $50, that is it. Level 3, you can reselect any level you want to go for. If you want to go for lower level, you can do it, select it there. So level 3, then go, the return interest daily is 3.5. So right now click on invest now. Click on invest now. Invest now. So successfully investment. So right now let me go back to my wallet and see if my investment, as you can see, this is it here, capital bank. No, as you can see, it has started reading. That is, I am going to get my first payment in 23 hours 58 minutes to come. As you can see, it's also reading here. The percentage it's giving me, it's reading also here. It's also reading, as you can see it. So guys, let me go back to my dashboard and check. So as you can see, the deposit is shows here that I have my deposit. But so this is now the investment, the total investment I have made on this platform, total investment. So my profit will be reading here. My profit will be showing here every day. So anytime I have up to $6 there, I can withdraw it. When I withdraw, my withdrawal will shows here. If you are someone that have anybody with you, you can also do their referral distance stuff here. You get $1 daily on that one. Deposit bonus also, investment bonus. Wow. Oh wow. I like this. So guys, this is how to deposit and this is how to invest on this new platform. This is your link. If you want to share it with your friends, just click here, just click copy URL. As you can see, you have copied it, then you can send it to your friends and family to start uh investment and start making money together in this platform. Right now I'm in level 1. I'm in crayfish level. So let's see let's see how their platform work. So by this time tomorrow, maybe by this time tomorrow or next tomorrow, I am going to show you the profit. Maybe by today also I can still show you something. So guys, thank you for watching, and you are welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please hit that subscribing button. As you all know, I don't just share anyhow updates to you guys. I share my updates. uh Good. I find a legit platform that can last up to 3 to 4 or 5 months above, and I share it with you guys. Most of my updates here on this YouTube and on my WhatsApp, they have lasted up to a year plus. Many of them, and some of them 6 months, some of them 7 months, 8 months, 3 months, 5 months, 4 months, like that, like that. So guys, if you are interested on Fortun9, you can check the description of this video and register right now. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please hit that subscribing button and hit the like button also. Thank you for watching. Goodbye for now.